Okay, so I've taken the time out to make a couple of small changes, which was, and after having some sleep, which was changing these icons very slightly, how they're done. Now, just to walk through this, is I downloaded the icons anyway from Material Design, and I've gone to there once again. I've downloaded them all as SVGs, and then have removed. Let's come back here. Have removed the background images from these CSS classes. And then in the index.html, I've added this image tag here, right? And essentially, what is being done now is that they've been, yeah, I've just placed the image in there, and inside of the SVG, it's already got how big it should be, and so on. And I've given it a fill of color red for the time being. Now, on this note as well, so I thought we'll do a little bit of styling, so we can get some colors going here. Now, so I've been over to color.adobe.com, and here I've selected a couple of colors which I want to use. So I'm going to say this 2598FF is what we want to use for our navbar. And yeah, so essentially we want the buttons, so we want all these colors. These bell here, so that should be then this here, and this one here, if it works. There we go. Okay, now we've got that. I'm gonna copy, whoops, copy and paste that once again. Now I'm going to pick color wheel, explore. So now I want some dark colors. What have we got here? Let's use random this week all time. No. Yeah, so these text here. So we'll come here and then we'll take this, which is then 32364 blah blah blah. Yeah. And for the navigation, for the text, we're going to change the text color, which was in button text. Navbar button color. If I remember right, yes. Button text is here. So we'll change it to that. Looks a bit better. Did that change? It did. Okay, so now we've got that changed. And okay, and I've also added some images. So we're going to update the finish off this this here. All right. And so I've added some icons here of user banner and user icon as well. So let's close all them. Right, column 1 it is. There's Navbar here, don't want that. Column followers box is what we want. So now we want to have icon and the banner here as well. And user banner. and it's an icon. Yep, it's working good. Just need to does this have a search function? Oh, did that 1 second? No, okay. Right, so profile navbar. No, it was follows box. So this here, icon, yes. So we do this here. We'll say width equals 60 pixels. Actually, width, yeah. Height equals auto, maybe. There we go. And overflow equals hidden. Okay, I think maybe we need to do border on this. That's better. So now we've got that. Need some definite distance between the text here. Yeah. So it may mean that we're gonna yeah, we'll just push that text down. So that was toolbar. I need to come and inspect this again. Username. Yeah, username. Top will say 50. Okay. Okay, that looks a bit better. That's gonna need a little bit of re-looking at this view here, just so it looks a bit nicer. But for the time being, it seems to be looking okay. And let's see whether we can get this background color. Just like that there. So let's come to the body. And let's see what this does for us. There we go. It's looking better. Let's get review. It's looking better now. Okay, let's give yeah, that's looking good now. The height of the navbar is a bit tall, in my opinion, at the moment. So let's change that to be a bit smaller. So maybe 52. See what it does. Let's do it with the tools. Navbar inner needs to be 50 as well. And column, button. See what, I think it was just the line height, you know. Navbar inner, we'll say 50. Column, height is all good. Seems to be all good. Maybe it's that keeping it. Okay, it's logo 60. Where was that? Where was that layout.css? So when we change this to 50. That's 50, and I'm guessing okay. Let's what changes did we just do then? That can stay. That can stay. Okay, that can be reverted. I'm going to remove that change. What about this one? That one can stay. That one wants to go back to 60. Yeah, and this one goes back to 60 as well. Text can stay. That can stay as well. So that gets added. That's added. That's added. 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 Put that back to how it was. Oh, that's better. Okay. Our image we didn't do. So we removed that. Yeah. Okay. Good. Followers box. Just chopped out that. Shouldn't be 35. Okay, and then the username I also I don't want left. There we go. That'll do. All right, let's save all these changes. Saving. Normally I should write a little bit better than that, but that'll be fine. Saving. Okay, let's come back here. All right, good. So moving on, now we want to do these three columns here. So in my opinion, that's got like a kind of buffer on the right hand side. So that's 91, that's 91, that's 74. So they've kind of all split up together. That same 91, 91, 74. Let's just make a box in this. So we need to come here. Followers box toolbar. Followers box toolbar column 1. Whoops. Column 1, column 2, column 3. And followers box column 1, column 2, column 3. Let's add that. Whoops. Add that and that. And these will be width equals 33%, float left, height height was 100%. And do we have boxes? Probably not. Okay, 0. Okay, good. So height equals 30 pixels for the time being. And do we have heights? No. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Ah, okay, I made a mistake there. 2. Okay, let's do background color red. And I'm guessing there's only, yeah. It only decided that it wanted to fit two of them in. All right, so maybe we have to come down 32%. Did I only put? Okay, column 1. All right, it's not making sense. There's 3, there's 2, and there's 1. Okay, that's confusing me now. Follows box toolbar column 1. Yeah. Okay, let's go 20 pixels. 2. Right, I must have done something wrong here. No, nothing wrong there. Oh dear. This is why I do iPhone applications, because iPhone applications is really, really simple to do this type of stuff. Okay, why are you showing like that? Followers box. Right, good. Ah, David, there. Look at that. Why didn't you all tell me, huh? You're sat there saying nothing. Right, it's me trying to work it out. 33%. That's better. I looked at it like 5 times then. Okay, so we've got that now, and now we want some form of height. So we're going to say height of 60. Always 60 seems to be a good number. Yeah, we want a little bit of this toolbar. Yeah, we'll give it a little bit of margin top as well on each one. We'll say 15. That's not a little bit, that's quite a lot actually. Yeah, that's good. And we'll give this toolbar padding of 0, 10, 0, 10. So it's 10 left, 10 right. Let's put that in there. And these still should have 3 boxes, which is good. And let's give it padding bottom. Oops. Well, we want margin bottom actually. It's but that's not going to work out totally. It's fine, skipping over that. Okay, we've got those things that we want. Now we need to separate it down into 2 bits. So we want, here we have a title and then a number, all right? So they're using 2 spans. So we'll say, what do they have here? Tweets. So we'll say tweets toolbar title. Tweets toolbar counts. And we'll say 4 because I don't really tweet at all. But 4 kind of says I've done something. And you had following. Following, and that was then 15, was it? Followers, I never use Twitter. Followers 5. That's lucky. Actually, I think 2 of them are my family, and one of them is my work colleagues. 2 of them are work colleagues. Who the other person is, I don't know. So, tweets title. And tweets, whoops, counts. Font size equals 1 eames, and we'll put this in here. There. What we got now? Okay. Display equals block. That one puts it on the next line, and for the sake of it, we'll put this on the new line as well. That's good. We want a little bit of margin, but we can put padding 10. Does that change? Might change how it looks here. Yes, it's not a wise idea. So we'll then say margin 5 pixels. We'll say top node margin 5 pixels. I'll do the same for this one as well. Okay. How much effect did it actually have? Not really much, did it? But it looks okay though. Apart from this one needs to be like maybe 1.2. Oops. Refresh that one. No, not 1.2. Maybe 1.1. Yeah, and is that in the center? No, it's still there. So, but this one can have a margin top. Say 12. No, let's say like maybe 8. Yeah, and it can come in just a touch. So we'll say 8 as well on the left. That just pulls it in slightly. All right, the color. So that's then our icon color that we had. Which we can then come to here once again for our color. And then to here for the color, is that. And the font weight, we'll say 600. Yep, that's good. And then come back to here for our text color. So font weight here is like 800. Color equals that. No, it's wrong. Refresh. It's looking good. Let's get rid of this red background now. Okay, it's looking better. That dark, well, that's definitely too much font weight. No, let's need some more. That color maybe is, it's good for now. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. This image, look, it has a white border, so let's give the image a white border. Border 2 pixels, solid. What height? Oh, one. Yeah, look at that. How easy that is. Yeah, it's nice and easy that. So that looks pretty good. I'd say we're done on that bit there. Apart from, yeah, I'm not a big fan of these. I'm just going to do it without saying it. Border radius 2. See how that looks. Yeah, just, you don't really notice any difference on that, but it just removes the spiky edges just a little bit, just so it looks a little bit nicer. And you don't notice it on that, but I don't like it. So anyway, that's that bit done. Yeah, let's do this comment. Let's do, what would be more interesting actually to be doing next? I think possibly this bit here would be more beneficial for people to know. So we'll do this box in the next video. Maybe. I might change my mind. All right, anyway, see you in the next video.